CBIT, a prestigious college established in 1979 with the NAC rating of A++ and accredited by the NBA for 6 times. First in Telangana to establish Atal Community Innovation Center (ACIC) with 4.5 crores by Atal Innovation Mission.
This is a value-added course organized by the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Welcome to Python programming. Over the span of 16 weeks, participants will learn diverse array of topics such as object-oriented and functional programming, file and exception handling, modules and regular expressions, GUI and web programming, database interaction, Python open source libraries for data science and machine learning.
Professor R. Madana Mohana, Head of AI and ML Department, contributed 8 modules for this course. Dr. K. Radhika, Professor of AI&DS Department, contributed 4 modules for this course. Dr. Kadiyala Ramana, Head of AI&DS Department, contributed 3 modules for this course. Dr. Pulipati Srilata, Associate Professor of AI&DS Department, contributed 1 module for this course. Dr. N. Satyanarayana, Associate Professor of AI&DS Department, contributed 1 module for this course. Dr. P. Samson Anuj Babu, Assistant Professor of AI&DS Department, contributed 1 module for this course. Srimati V. Krishna Aravinda, Assistant Professor of AI&DS Department, contributed 1 module for this course. Mrs. Swati Teja Yala, Assistant Professor of AI&DS Department, contributed 1 module for this course. Ms. Kanis Fatima, Assistant Professor of AI&DS Department, contributed 1 module for this course.
This course has 2500 plus learners enrolled, in which more than 360 learners registered from 18 foreign countries with more than 2300 active learners. More than 270 individuals took internal assessments, with over 160 participating in external assessments, resulting in a total of 99 course completions, including 28 international scholars. Now let's have a look at our learners' feedback.
Throughout this course, we had very wonderful lecturers, very wonderful instructors.
This has been a great learning experience for me, covering a range of topics in Python.
There's one good thing about the program, the practice of exercises to apply the concepts learned. The content was basic and it was overall a good experience.
This course wasn't just about learning a programming language, it was about fostering a community of learners across the border.
It was really helpful to make our concept crystal clear, which we learned in the period of 4 weeks.